Welcome to ComVac Asia 2021 online guided tours, and now we are at Sauer Compressor Company, and with me Mr. Carsten Jakel, who is General Manager. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So could you please introduce to me and to our overseas visitors briefly about your company, and maybe there is some products, new products or like another products you brought to ComVac Asia 2021.
Sure. Thank you very much for giving me the chance.
Thank you that you had the time.
I also want to mention in the beginning directly that I'm very positive surprised. My expectations were not so high this year because the entrance regulations were immense. But this is also a little bit filtering the visitors, and we have much more visitors than expected in the beginning, before the exhibition. And I'm already looking forward for next year when there is more international visitors even.
So we're really happy to hear your feedback. And yes, as you mentioned, this year government restriction during to COVID is really tough for China. So, and we're really glad that we still managed to open exhibition. And thank you for your feedback, and we were looking forward to meet you here again next year.
So this year is our first time we exhibit at the ComVac Asia, and we came this year with some new products. This is, we call it the Breeze. It's a new state-of-the-art design. It's a modular design. It's a medium-sized compressor, and from this we go further. Maybe I introduce first a little bit the Sauer company. Sauer company is approximately 140 years old. We are located in the north of Germany. It's a family-owned business and worldwide represented. We focus on medium and high pressure compressors. That means from the range of about 30 bar up to 500 bar. We have in the industry segment, we are having mainly two compressor brands. That is, one is the Sauer brand and the Haupt brand. You see in the background. The Sauer brand is oil lubricated and hermetically gas tight if requested, and the Haupt brand is gas tight and oil free, means dry running. With this, we are represented here at the booth, not with the Haupt, but with the Sauer brand, because we specialize. In the last couple of years, our business in China grew in the industry segment exponential. So we decided, okay, we have to go to ComVac, and it was a good decision, and looking forward to come back. With our compressors, when you see this is quite new design. It differs from any other piston compressors because it has the cube coolers, a human interface over there. It's very compact, it's very small, and with this one we go in a similar way also up to 500 bar and absolutely gas tight with a magnetic coupling. The fan, for example, is integrated into the flywheel, so it's simple, robust, reliable, and easy to maintain.
And how long have you been in China, your company, presented in Chinese market?
We are more or less represented in China already since over 30 years.
13?
30.
30, oh
yes.
Wow. So it's pretty...
We are active in many segments. Our bread and butter business is the commercial shipping business. Commercial shipping, China is growing, and we are growing with China. So we are very thankful for this. We have a really good market share worldwide in the commercial shipping business, way over 50%. So there we are working on to grow further. Then we are in the oil and gas segment, also very specialized. That is also picking up now here in China again. Was a little bit quiet the last years. And then we have our industry segment, where we also work already together with our partners since over 15 years. And they focus mainly in the medium pressure range on power plants. And with our medium to high pressure range, then we focus on high pressure, for example, pressure testing or gas bottle filling. So more or less we can compress every gas and gas mixture.
Okay. So yeah, it's like 30 years ago when you just entered Chinese market, it's probably totally different than it is now, right?
Definitely.
Yes, definitely. But do you think like Chinese market is tough for you? We're at the beginning, probably.
We focus on niche markets, so we don't have that much competition, and especially in the high pressure, the competition is really limited. Nevertheless, I realize pressure in prices, definitely.
In China,
yes.
So competition is really tough, right? So would you say competition tougher here or, for example, in Germany?
Competition is everywhere and it's good. So it is always pushing you to develop, innovate, to develop your products further, and that is exactly what we are doing.
Okay. So it was really nice to talk to you. Thank you for having the time for us, and thank you for support us. And I hope to see you next year.
My pleasure, for sure.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Thank you.